Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can delete Vantage account inside your phone or laptop. So if you are using the app inside your phone, you just need to click on profile at the very bottom right, okay? After you click on profile, you want to click on the gear icon in the top right, okay? After that, you just need to scroll down at the very bottom. You will see their logout and delete account. Click on delete account. Now, if you are using laptop version, or you can open the web version inside your phone and they will show you how you can delete it permanently, okay? So just open delete, just search, okay? You want to search for account closure request. Here is exactly what you need to search for: account closure request, okay? Just search for this. As you can see here, click enter, and after you want to next to it you want to add Vantage, of course, which is the account. Now you want to click on this. Make sure it says here vantagemarkets.com. Click on it. This is the logo of the website, as you can see here. Click on account closure request Vantage. Now it's going to take you to this page. You just need to fill out some information. It says here full name, which is exactly, this is my full name, and the account number, MT4 or MT5, and additional feedback and the reason for closing your account. After that, you just need to click on I confirm that I have closed all the open positions, withdrawn my account funds. So by the way, you have to withdraw all your funds so that you don't lose your funds, okay? Withdraw them first before closing your account, and after that you want to click on submit, and then it's going to take a few minutes and then your account will be closed permanently, okay? If you have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.